and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited because I'm coming back to you with a haul. When I don't go big, I go mini. And when I say mini, even though you know I don't hate on the samples or the travel size products, I mean a miniature haul, not the mini size products. So let's talk about it. We're going to review some of these items. We're going to test some of them out. Let's get into it. If you're interested in seeing what your girl picked up, then stay tuned. Let's begin with skincare. So you guys already know, if you saw my video of a full face of products that I've been wanting to try, Kylie Jenner's Kylie Skin was one of the first items on the list. After seeing the reviews, I did go ahead and break down and get just the face wash. I really love the packaging on this. The ombre pink and white, so gorgeous. Like, if I could design a product and a packaging, I think that it would embody something like this. This is so perfect. Pink is definitely one of my favorite colors, and the way it just has that ombre effect to the white with the Kylie Skin and white, love it. I think it's so different from her cosmetic line, but it's perfect. And then inside you've got the face wash. And if you guys saw my video on how to get sweat proof makeup when I did the cowboy wedding get ready with me, I did preview the Kylie Skin in that routine because I did use it that day, and I really do like it. I love the lather that you get when you are foaming up this face wash. If you're using it by itself as a one-time cleanser, I wouldn't recommend it. You're going to need something else. If you're just using this, then you need to do it twice and double cleanse, because while it did remove most of my makeup, it didn't remove all of my makeup. When I mean all of my makeup, when I was working on the eyes, I still had some mascara left over, but then again that day I did really layer up the mascara, so that might have been why. But all in all, I can say that I really do like this face wash. It didn't overly dry my face, and I just really like it. I mean, it's so good. It's only about $20, and for the lather that you get, it does feel really luxurious, very good on the skin. It was the one item out all of the products in the entire Kylie Skin line that I did want to try after seeing all of the reviews, especially with the walnut scrubs tearing the skin on a microscopic level. I didn't want to take the chance, and the toner, it just seemed like it's been done before, so I didn't go there. The only other two items in the line that I actually want to try is the vitamin C serum and also the eye serum and the moisturizer. And as far as the makeup wipes, again, there's so many brands of makeup wipes out there that can get the job done. So when it came to having to just pick up one item, I did just go ahead and get the face wash, and I am very pleased with my purchase. So if you're thinking about getting it, I have been using it, I do like it, and I would recommend it. But one thing I can say about the Kylie Skin is that the shipping was like $8, so keep that in mind when you're ordering on KylieSkin.com. The next thing that I picked up is the Hard Candy Popping Pigments Glitter Stay. I've really been wanting to try some loose glitters in my eye makeup looks. Even though I'm not really into glitters, I'm more into foil eyeshadows or pressed glitters, but I don't want to really limit myself. I do want to try a loose glitter. I've actually been hanging on to this NYX loose glitter in like a beautiful rose gold color. Really been wanting to try, but I didn't have any glitter glue, so I picked up the Glitter Stay. I think it may have been $6, not expensive at all. So I'm gonna give this a go, kind of wanting to know how good it holds the glitters in place and if it has any fallout or anything like that, and if it's any good or not. So the next thing that I picked up is the NYX Professional Makeup Skinny Mascara. You actually recommended this to me after hearing me talk about how I always get mascara in my lower lash, and how I had really been wanting to try the Skinny Mascara wand from Pixi because they actually have one. So once I heard you recommending the Skinny Mascara from NYX, I went ahead and picked it up. Again, NYX, a very affordable brand. It was a little of nothing, but I haven't used this and I want to go ahead and give it a go. I've actually never used a mascara wand this small, so let's see how it goes. Oh wow, did you see that pop? Okay, so I am really loving this mascara. I'm just gonna zoom in so you guys can see. This one got right underneath my lower lash without a problem. Look at that. Slides right in there with ease and gets in those lower lashes. I'm really liking this, guys. And again, this is my first time trying a wand this small, so I have nothing to compare it to. I am still gonna pick up the Pixie wand in the future so that I can compare it to this skinny wand here from NYX, but I really like this and I would definitely be using this in my lower lash going forward. And it's very flimsy and bendable, so you can get right in there in the lower lash without messing up your lower lash makeup or foundation or concealer or anything else that you put under the lower lash. So thank you for recommending it to me. I also picked up from NYX the NYX Professional Makeup Multitasker Mixing Medium. Again, I got this for a little or nothing because NYX is such an affordable brand. I'd really been wanting to try experimenting with shadows, turning powders into liquids, thinning out pomades that are drying up. So I picked this one up and it says control the texture, finish, and application of all your favorite pigments with the handy multitasker mixing medium. Say hello to the multitasker and goodbye to fallout and creasing. You can see from the box here that you can take a powder and apply this mixing medium to it and then apply it like an eyeliner. Stuff like that is just really cool to me. It allows me to experiment with my makeup and create more looks. Really excited to try that. The other thing is I wanted to be able to take like pomades that are drying out, like my Morphe pomade here. It's not quite as creamy as it used to be, so I'm wondering if I can just take a little bit of this mixing medium and kind of get it back to its creamy texture. Let's just experiment and see. I'm just gonna put a little bitty drop in here. I don't want to overdo it. Take my little angled brush and just kind of mix it around. So yeah, just that little bit of moisture definitely turns it back into a cream. I really didn't even need that much for the pomade, just a little bit. That's exactly what I was looking for. You can use it for so many different things. So I'm excited to try this out. The next thing that I picked up is a new brand that I've never heard of before. They actually contacted me about trying out their lashes. And so I went on their website and was able to pick out different lashes that I like. This brand is called Lashbook, and this is not sponsored in any way, but I really do like these lashes. They have different lines: dramatic to medium, casual to natural, and the limited editions. Now I did go ahead and pick up one from each line. The first one that I have is a look called Flutter. Flutter is from their dramatic to medium line, $7.50. This brand is very affordable, and if you use my code in the link down below, you're going to get even more off. Okay, then I also picked up the Exposed lashes. These were part of their limited edition line. I do not see them on their site at this time, but they do have a lot of other limited editions. These lashes may have been $5. Last pair that I picked up are the Satins, part of their casual to natural line, and these go for $6.50. So not bad at all. This is a very affordable brand, and again, if you use my code Brittany for 15% off. Thank you, girl, later. I'm gonna link the website and the code down below. These lashes are reusable. The band is thick, and I'm actually going to be trying on a pair today. I do not have any lashes on right now. I just have on mascara. Out of these three, I think I am going to try out the Flutter ones because I just love how dramatic and thick that they are. So let's give these a go. These are thick. They feel so durable. And again, they're not paying me to say this stuff. I'm just literally giving you my first impressions because I've never tried this brand before. But you guys can trust I'm not going to tell you to try it if I don't like it. Hopefully when I put them on, they don't itch or something like that. Let's see. Love when my nails are long because I can just place them without a lash applicator. It's awesome. It gets right into that crease between my lash and my eyelid. very thick, very full, very volumized. They feel good. Love that they're just so full of volume that I don't even need to layer them up with any mascara. Definitely gives me that dramatic look. All in all, I really like them. A lash that'll give you a lily lash look for, again, like a fraction of the price. Now, the last item that I picked up, I've really been wanting to try. Secondary to the Fenty Sunstalker bronzer that I've been wanting to try, but Morphe did release limited edition Glamour Bronze face and body bronzers. But the shade that they did still have, which doesn't surprise me, was the deepest shade. This is in the color Phenom. It says Wham Bam Bronzed Out Glam. Treat your skin to some sun-kissed perfection. A buildable bronze to keep your sexy beach vibe glowing strong. It looks a little reddish on the package. And to my understanding, that is what bronzing does over contouring. And I've always wanted to know the difference between bronzing and contouring, so I've done a lot of research. It's supposed to warm up the face, whereas opposed to a contour gives you shadows and sculpts the face. I'm gonna try this out. I was glad that I was able to get my hands on it because it is at a fraction of the price than the Fenty bronzer is. According to Jaclyn Hill's review of this bronzer, she said it is just like the Marc Jacobs bronzer, which you guys know Marc Jacobs high ends, much more expensive, and you get around the same amount of products with the Morphe bronzer. So let's try this whole bronzing thing out. You guys know that I've tried it and I've never been able to find one that complements my skin tone. I do have some contouring here, but I'm gonna go a bit above. Let's just see what happens. It's a pretty color. After using it now, I would definitely probably only use it without the contouring. Because I have on contour, I feel like the bronzer really doesn't get its just due. I need to try it by itself. I'm glad I was able to get it before it ran out. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it and that this review was helpful for you. If so, go ahead and smash that like button. If you're new here, my name is Brittany. I love makeup, and if you do too, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below. You can also hit the bell notifications to be notified the next time that I upload a video. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. That is so hard to say.